Hi, in this video, I'll discuss about the update statement. So how we can utilize the update statement with our records. So you can see here, update statement is used to modify record or records based on certain condition. It would be best practice to apply condition while modifying record. If you try to write down this command, so this command is a critical command which will be used to update all the city name with Mumbai. So this is not right approach to update the data. Always you have to apply the condition whatever data you want to update. So here I have taken update employee set city equal to Mumbai. Update is a command and this is a name of the table. And you have to write here set, then you have to put down that column name. Column name means you have to take here field name, which field you want to update. I want to update this field name with Mumbai, but here I have not applied any condition. So what you have to do, uh, this command will update all the entire city. If you have 2 lakhs data into that employee table, so all the city name will be changed with Mumbai. So this is a new city name. It will change all the city name with Mumbai. But if you are writing update employee set city equal to Mumbai, where city equal to Delhi, it means if you are updating Mumbai, but here you have applied the condition where Delhi is there, you have to update Delhi to Mumbai. So Delhi will be old and Mumbai will be new city. So only Delhi will be replaced with Mumbai. Okay. So let's see how we can do it. So first I'm just telling you how we can update entire data from your table. Then I will let you know uh, how we can utilize the specific condition. As of now, I'm going to write down the condition. So here I'm just removing it and now I'm writing here. So here I'm taking another database, the training database I have taken. I have activated the training database. Now here I need to write down the select statement to view your data. Select star from employee. Okay, run it. So see here, this is our data. So what you have to do, you need to update complete salary or total salary with 10%. Okay. So 10% will be incremented for all the salaries. Okay. So here I'm just writing the command. So this is a perfectly fine. I'm updating 10% salary for each employee. But if you try to update the department with IT, so if I'm writing here update employee, this is the name of the table. Now you need to write here set, then you have to put down the header name. Suppose here I'm writing department. Okay, department, you have to take a header name. So you have to take here department equal to which department you have to change. I want to change entire department name as a analytics. Okay, so now if I run this query, entire department name will be changed as a analytics. But this is not right approach. I'm not doing this task. This is a very critical command. If you will be millions of record, automatically it will change as a analytics. Okay. So in this way, what you have to do here, I'm just changing the salary. Okay. So here I want to increment 10% salary of each employee. So you need to write here update employee and you have to write down set and you have to take here total salary. So total salary, why I'm taking here in square bracket, because total salary has space between the word. So that's why if you want to take a square bracket, then these two words will be considered as a one word. Okay, and you will not get any error. So here I want to take total salary multiply by 10%. So before taking total salary 10%, you have to take here total salary multiply by 10%. So you have to take here total salary. Here you need to do plus because you have to add in this salary, you have to add 10%. So now I'm taking here 10%. So multiply by 0.10 is a 10%. Okay. So this is the, sorry, here I need to remove it, and here bracket start. Again you have to take total salary, then this is the 10%. So it means whatever is your existing salary, it will be keep as it is, but 10% will be added in that particular salary. Okay, now I'm running it. So see here, as of now, you have 93,000 something and 11,000 something. So you have to keep in mind, and you have to run this command. Now you can see here 49 rows affected. It means 49 rows affected means 49 rows updated with C here. 10% salary updated in all 49 rows. So you have 49 rows in this data set. Okay. So this is a way to update entire table data with particular column. Okay. Thank you so much for this video. I will come up with new video.